is washing his bowl. That's not a show bull either. That's an actual bucking bull. Diaz.
It's good to know that. Oh, he's kicking you.
Blindfold him, Ty.
Who is that, Ty?
Who's who?
What is he? Say it again. What is he?
My prize bucking bull.
You're scraping the poop off of his butt, off of the butt of your prize bucking bull.
He just got a bath. Now we're going to the rodeo. Sure would like to get his face there.